Want to make money on YouTube? You don't need to be a star. Forget fancy cameras and expensive studios, you can stay anonymous and still build a thriving channel. That's the power of Faceless YouTube. It's your ticket to sharing your passion, connecting with a global audience, and yes, even earning some serious cash. This isn't about shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes. This is about leveraging the incredible platform that is YouTube to build something real. Something you're passionate about. And the best part? You can do it all without ever showing your face on camera. Many people dream of sharing their knowledge and creativity on YouTube, but the thought of being on camera, it's terrifying for some. The good news is that you don't need to let fear hold you back. In this essay, we'll break down the why, the what, and the how of faceless YouTube channels. Get ready to discover the secrets to building a successful channel, creating engaging content, and turning your passion into profit, all without ever stepping in front of a camera. We'll also explore the essential tools you'll need, like video editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, screen recording tools like OBS Studio, and animation software like Blender or After Effects. These tools will help you create professional quality videos that captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. Let's face it, not everyone is comfortable in front of the camera. The fear of judgment, the pressure to be on, and the technical hurdles of filming can be paralyzing. But that doesn't mean your YouTube dreams are over before they even begin. Faceless YouTube channels offer an incredible opportunity for introverts, those short on time, or anyone who simply prefers to remain anonymous online. You can share your knowledge, express your creativity, and connect with a global audience, all while maintaining your privacy. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you have that others would find valuable? Maybe you're a whiz at video editing, a talented musician, or a financial expert. Whatever your passion, there's an audience on YouTube eager to learn from you. The beauty of Faceless YouTube is that the possibilities are limitless. Whether you prefer to educate, entertain, or inspire, there's a format and a niche for you. So take a deep breath, silence those self-doubts, and let's dive into the exciting world of Faceless YouTube. Your journey to online success starts now. Ready to unleash your inner creator? The world of Faceless YouTube is full of exciting possibilities. Let's explore some of the most popular types of channels you can create without ever showing your face. Animation channels. Bring your ideas to life with animation. Create explainer videos, funny cartoons, or even short films using animation software. Voiceover channels. Do you have a voice made for radio? Use your voice to narrate interesting stories, create educational content, or review products and services. Screen recording channels. Perfect for tutorials, software demos, and gaming. Screen recording channels allow you to share your knowledge and skills directly from your computer screen. Each format has its own unique advantages and appeals to different audiences. The key is to choose the one that best aligns with your skills, interests, and target market. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different formats to find what works best for you. You've chosen your niche, you're brimming with ideas, and you're ready to start creating. But how do you turn your faceless YouTube channel into a profitable venture? Let's break it down. Content is king and queen, niche down. Find a specific topic within your niche and become an expert. This helps you attract a targeted audience more likely to subscribe and engage. Quality over quantity. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that solves problems or entertains your audience. Consistency is key. Establish a regular upload schedule to keep your audience engaged. SEO optimization. Get discovered. Keywords are key. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help people find your content. Eye-catching thumbnails. Create visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent your video content. Promote, promote, promote. Share your videos on social media, forums, and other online communities to drive traffic to your channel. Monetization, turning views into dollars, ad revenue. Once you reach YouTube's monetization requirements, you can earn money from ads displayed on your videos. Affiliate marketing, partner with brands and promote their products or services in your videos, earning a commission on sales made through your unique affiliate links. Digital products. Create and sell your own digital products such as ebooks, courses, or templates related to your niche. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and dedication. By following these strategies and consistently creating valuable content, you can turn your faceless channel into a profitable online business. Remember, the journey of 1,000 subscribers begins with a single video.